What? Okay, the recording is going. All right. So in this session, we're going to be learning about what is Schulich Ignite. What are we going to be programming? What kind of things are we going to be using? Um, we're going to be learning about Ignite points, that whole system. We're going to be learning about Discord, getting that set up, getting Trinket set up so we can start doing some code. We're going to learn about the end of sessions gala, which is a gala that happens at the end of the sessions. Getting Trinket, getting your coding environment set up, and just kind of getting to know your mentor groups. So that's what this session is all about. Who are we? Okay, so Schulich Ignite, we're a student-run club where our goal is to make coding fun and accessible for all high school students and to ignite the passion for programming and get people interested in learning about coding and software engineering and everything that we do here. So let's have a quick Zoom poll to get to know a bit more about you guys. I can just get the poll going. Yeah, there we go. All right, this is good information we're getting here. I'm seeing that most of you are in grade 12 with some grade 10s and 11s as well. Most of you are also from Calgary, which I hope so. We're doing in-person sessions. It's going to be pretty hard if you're not in Calgary or the surrounding area to get here. Um, and why did you join? It looks pretty evenly split between I want to pursue a degree in STEM and I want to learn more about STEM. I feel like those kind of go hand in hand. If you want to pursue a degree, you kind of do need to know about STEM, so that is important. Anyway, yes, can end the poll there and continue with the presentation. Okay, so what we're gonna learn in these sessions is we're gonna learn about a lot of cool applications of software engineering and kind of what things we can do with it. So that's going to be like a little segment at the beginning of each session. We're going to be going over some applications of software engineering. Um, so that's going to be part of the sessions, but the main part of the session is we're going to have 8 interactive and fun sessions. It's going to be a project-oriented approach. We're going to be working on a lot of different exercises to hone your programming skills. So some of it is going to be me talking, but a lot of it is going to be you doing things. Creativity is very important. It's all about finding creative problems to solutions and getting a hands-on experience with programming. And here's the content overview of what we're going to be doing in all of these sessions. If none of this means anything to you, that's okay. We will learn it as we go. And you can look at this later if you need to, if you need a refresher on what was covered in each session. Additionally, we have a website. Here is the website. I'm also going to, if I can, just copy this link in the chat. There's the link to our website. The website is good. You can find all of the slides for all the sessions. You can have all the important links for submissions, for submitting your exercises at the end of each session. That's kind of the hub for all of the session information. So that's where you're going to find that. Additionally, we have Ignite points. So in these sessions, just as kind of a little fun motivator thing, you can collect points, and whoever gets the most points can get cool prizes. There are a couple different ways to get points. The main one is consistent attendance. If you show up to all the sessions, you accumulate points that way. You can also accumulate points by answering our quick questions within the sessions. You get points for submitting end of session exercises. At the end of each session, we'll have little exercises to submit. If you do those, you get points. We'll also have social media projects, and at the end of the session, in our 7th and 8th final sessions, you will be submitting your own projects where you're going to be making your own games, and we're going to be judging them, finding which games are the coolest, and you'll get points for those. Yes, also we have 2 different kind of beginner streams. Those are the Bugbusters and Pythonic Lava streams. If you have absolutely no experience, you're completely new to coding, you are probably going to be in the Bugbuster stream. If you have a little experience, you're going to be in Pythonic Lava. So you'll only be competing against the other students in your stream, and you'll have your own exercises based on which stream you're in and different prizes. If you don't know which stream you're in, you can find out with this spreadsheet, which I can, whoops. I have the spreadsheet here. Here's the spreadsheet. I can also share the link to this. But yeah, you can just take a look at this. If you see your name, whichever category you're in, that's the stream you're in for this session. And there is the link to this spreadsheet for future reference if you're ever not sure. And back to the presentation. The top 3 students with the most Ignite points in each stream get these amazing prizes. So we got 50% Amazon gift card, pretty cool. Also, 2 selected programming courses in Udemy, very cool also. These are usually like, I forget what the cost is. They're usually like what, 100, 150 bucks each. So this is a very good deal to be able to take these courses for free. I think that's a very good prize. Yes, okay, this is just more about the spreadsheet. You can view the scoreboard, find out how many points you have, find out how many points you will receive for your submission. There's rules and stuff. The spreadsheet, again, I already sent you the link to it. That is the spreadsheet from last year. So it is. Okay, my bad. We will send out the new spreadsheet on Thursday. Okay, yes. So moving on, we have the streak score. This is how you gain points based on your attendance. So for your first attendance session, you will get 5 points. And with each consecutive session you attend, you will get 5 more points than you did in the last session. And it just kind of multiplies with each session you go to. So here's an example of how that would work. So if Anna shows up to the first 5 sessions, she'll get 5 more points each time. And then she'll get 0 if she doesn't attend session 6, and then the streak resets. So session 7, she's back to 5, and then 10, and then so on. So If you show up consistently, you get more points. Additionally, we have quick questions. If we're going through the slides and there's a little icon in the corner, we will have quick questions. Um, for in-person sessions, we will be doing the quick questions on Top Hat, which we will be going over how to register for that and what the course code is. That'll be on a later slide, but these are just multiple choice questions to make sure you're paying attention and getting the knowledge that we are teaching in these sessions. Another thing, end of session exercises and weekly challenges. These are worth 50 points each. Our weekly challenges are uploaded on social media every week. So if you want to do those, follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. So you would need to submit a program as your answer to the question. And our submission forms, we have these links. The links are also on the website. If you want to go to the website, you can submit your exercises there. Yeah, so this is kind of an example of the weekly challenge. It'll look something like this, where it's like create 4 different colored dots randomly spaced on a grid. It'll sometimes they're more in depth, sometimes they're just like silly little games. A lot of them are really different. They're just kind of getting used to programming different things. Okay, and now on to one of our main communication channels, Discord. It's a dedicated channel for Schulich Ignite. You can ask your mentor questions outside of our session time, and you can show off your projects, do a lot of cool stuff. It's our main communication hub. I will also paste this link so you can go straight there. I recommend you all join the Discord now before you forget, because it's very important, very main communication hub. You can also get a role for your own private group channel based on which mentor group you're in. So in your email that you got about Schulich Ignite, you should know your day of the week, which for us is going to be Thursday, and your group number, which is going to be whatever your group number is. I don't know what group you're in. You got to check your email to find out. And then on Discord, type in a command like this. I will be in the bot commands channel, and it'll be exclamation point group set Thursday, whatever group you're in. And then that will give you access to your group channel with your mentor group where you can ask questions and kind of just communicate with your mentor and the rest of your group outside of session time. And at the end of the 8 sessions, we will be having a gala to celebrate the completion of Schulich Ignite. In the gala, you'll get to show off your final projects if you want to. You'll get to learn about software engineering from industry professionals. It's a very cool event. I would love it if everyone attended. It is very fun and very awesome. Yeah, end of session gala. Very cool. I don't think we have an exact date for that yet, but we will let you know when we do. All right. And with that, let's get our coding environment set up. So in this class, we will be using Trinket for coding. Specifically, we'll be using processing in Python, which is one of the most used programming languages. I use it a lot for a lot of different things. It's very, very useful programming language. You can do a lot of different things in it. And we will be using that on Trinket. So let's go over to Trinket to get that set up. So Trinket, this is a web-based application. You don't need to download anything. It is just online here. You do need to sign up for an account though. So I'm already signed in, but if you are not signed in, you can sign up by pressing sign up. So I'll give you all a chance to do that. Let's pretend you already have an account. You will be here and you'll be able to look at your trinkets. Trinkets are just little interactive snippets of code. Um, and to get started, we can create a new one by pressing the button that says new trinket here. And we'll be creating one in Python. Okay, and to get started, we are going to be writing a program called Hello World. What this program is we're going to go print, and put some brackets, and in the brackets, we're going to have quotation marks that say Hello World. So once you've done that, you can run this code, and boom, it prints Hello World to the output. So that is kind of a little coding tutorial that we do just to make sure that your environment is working. You can run code in it. So once we've done that, we're gonna make sure we can share this code. So what we want to do is we want to give it a name first. I'm gonna call it Hello World. And then to share the code, we're gonna click Save. We're gonna click Share. We're gonna click Link, and that's gonna give us a link. And then you will copy this link and share it to whatever submission form for the stream you're in. And that is how you're going to submit your exercises and projects for this course. All right, any questions on that so far? Ooh, what is the class code? I don't think we have one, do we? At least not for Trinket. Could maybe get someone to clarify that, but we didn't have one last year, so yeah, okay, I didn't think so. But yeah, that's a brief overview of how Trinket works and how to get that set up. If you're still having trouble with it, we're going to go into breakout rooms in a bit, and you can ask your mentors for help on setting that up. But yeah, with that, we're gonna move on. This is just the same stuff we already went over. Okay. So now we're gonna set up Top Hat as well. This is how we're gonna do the quick questions in our in-person sessions. So make sure you get Top Hat either on the web page or you download the app you can get for Top Hat and you join using this course code, the Thursday one. That one. That's our class code. So we'll give everyone a second to join using that class code. And if you're not sure where Top Hat is, it's just at tophat.com. If you need the link for this, I can paste in the chat as well. But if you go to tophat.com or download the Top Hat app and join using that code. Bro, I can't hear anything. That is a problem. I take it everyone else can hear it. I think that might be a problem with your audio. I'm not sure. Okay. Saif, can you hear me now? Okay. We were just figuring out some technical difficulties there. Um, all right. Can everyone give a little thumbs up in the chat if you're signed up for Top Hat? Okay. We can give a couple more minutes for that. Okay, it looks like most of us got Top Hat set up, so we're gonna go ahead with that. Logan, do you got the Top Hat questions ready to go?
I do. Just one sec.
All right. All right, first question. What is your name? Uh, there are no incorrect answers for this one. Just answer with what your name is. Okay, I think that might be enough time. I don't know. How many people do we got in this Top Hat? Because we got 34 on there, but only what, like 26 people in the Zoom? So I don't know. I don't know where those extra 8 people came from, but okay. Okay, it looks like some people are still getting it set up, so we can um at least give a couple more seconds.
Yeah, you can put a thumbs up in the chat once you've answered.
All right, next question. What are you most excited to learn from these sessions? It says steeping from tea and didn't let me answer. Yeah, I think that's just Top Hat might be loading. It might be a little slow right now. So, all right. Looks like we're just waiting on a couple more answers. Okay, let's finish. We can show results for that. Okay, we got three people that said how to code. Um, we also got learning how to code, learning how to make games, to know what I will learn in this course. If you want to know what you'll learn in this course, go back to the slide where we had the course overview. That will tell you what you're going to learn in this course. Basics of Python, yes, very good. Learning to code, how to code, yen symbol, copyright sign, spade, check mark, beginner insight into coding. Okay, yes, very good answers, everyone. Which group are you in? Check your email if you don't know this. Doesn't say in the email. Oh yeah, those would be your mentor groups. Um, yes, so what the course streams are going to be assigned based on what you put in the initial interest form. If you haven't done any programming experience before, just put Bug Busters for now. If you have done a little bit of coding before, put Python and Flava. Those are the streams they're going to be in. Yes, okay. Just to clarify, the groups in your email that are group some number, those are your mentor groups. Those are going to be which mentor you're assigned to for the sessions. These course streams are based on whether or not you've done coding before. All right. 5 more seconds, but it looks like everyone's answered already, so we can just show answers for that one. Okay, okay. Looks like pretty even split for this session. That's pretty good. Um, I think with a lot of these sessions in the past, we've had like a lot more Pythonic lava than bug busters, but I like seeing it balanced. That's how it should be. Okay, okay. I don't know why the recording stopped there, but let's just continue with the slides. So with that, we've done Top Hat. Cool. We got that all set up. Um, yeah, if you've had any problems setting up Trinket, we're gonna go into breakout rooms and chat with your mentors to make sure Top Hat is working and make sure Trinket is working for everyone in your group. And we're also gonna do some fun little icebreaker games. So, um, icebreaker activities you can do. Answer the following questions. What is your name? What is your favorite smell? And what is something about programming that interests you? Can also take some time to play some other fun little icebreaker games. You can do two truths and one lie. The classic. You can do some trivia, do Among Us if you are a fan of Among Us, and Scribble.io, fun drawing game. I like doing that one. Or just chat with your group, find out what they like, what are their interests. You just kind of get to know these people that you're going to be in the sessions with. All right. So that is all I have for this presentation. Before we go, remember to join Discord. Remember to set up your account on Trinket and see you Thursday in person. In the room, I believe is ENG 203 on the University of Calgary campus. We'll see you there. All right, with that, thanks for coming. And we're gonna go into breakout rooms.
Yeah, just bear with me for 1 second. My Zoom crashed, so I have to reset up the breakout rooms.
Okay, just 1 second. Okay, I see a lot of people in chat asking where the in-person room is going to be. I can just pull up a campus map and help you out with that in case you're not sure. Okay, so this is the map of campus. The room we are in is going to be in the engineering building, specifically in ENG. So it's um, kind of in this central quad here. You go into this building and it's on the second floor. There's like a big computer lab. Um, if you need more directions, that's what the Discord is for. You can ask questions there. Um, but yeah, that's where it is on the map. Okay, cool. Looks like we got breakout rooms set up. Okay, so I think that's done. Probably end the recording here.